Hi, this is Nate Martinez coming to you during the holiday season. Hey, I just want to take a minute real quick and thank you for watching my show over the last year or so. And more importantly, I want to thank you if you've done business with me. And without the magnificent clients that we have and vendors, we wouldn't have the successful business we have today. Next year, I'll be going into my 33rd year as a realtor here in the Valley of the Sun. And so from my family to yours, happy holiday, happy new year. And I just want to give you a quick update on what's going on in the real estate market in the Phoenix area. So in November, we had 18,521 active listings. That was up 2.4% from the previous year, same month. And listings under contract last month were about 14% down than the previous November of last year, right? I think a couple things happened here where you have interest rates that have gone up, the prices in the Phoenix metropolitan area have jumped up, so I think there was a little bit of a pause. Of course, we had some crazy election time going on in the Arizona landscape, and I think everybody was just overwhelmed by the elections. The median in price again went up 6.1% over the same month a year ago. And the average median price for the Phoenix area is $262,000. The amount of homes closed were 7,256. That was down from the same month of last year, about 2.4%. So again, a little bit slower fourth quarter than normal, nothing to worry about. I had the pleasure of going to a conference in California last month where we had the owners of RE/MAX in California, Nevada, New Mexico, Arizona, Washington, and Oregon, as well as Hawaii, all in the room. And a lot of those West Coast cities, if you will, have experienced a little bit of a slowdown. They've even had a little bit of a price drop. In the overall Phoenix metropolitan area, since that meeting about 2 months ago, I've been really looking at the numbers of the amount of homes that are getting price reductions. And I've noticed that in those current months, we were seeing over 50% of the houses each month were having some type of price adjustment. So we are starting to see a little bit of price slowdown. It's a great time if you're a buyer to be buying a house right now. Matter of fact, this month you'd probably have less competition when it comes to buy sides. December is very low it's the lowest month overall about the amount of homes that are sold. So again, your competition's not there. If you wait till March, you might have multiple offers on a particular property and have to pay full price or better. And if you're a seller, again, there's less inventory. The market will change right after January, after the holidays, and we get a big surge of new listings hitting the market. So there'll be more inventory, but there'll also be more competition. So the overall average month supply of homes, if another house wasn't listed, we'd probably run out of inventory in about 3.1 months. So inventory is still moving at a pretty good clip. And I think one of the most important stats that I want to share with you is even as good as this real estate market, only 79% of the homes that are actively listed sell under that current listing contract. So that means there's 21% of the homes are failing to sell each and every month. And that's a lot of properties when you have 20,000 homes on the market, let's say, round figure, and 20% of them are not selling. That's 4,000 homes. So I think you can tell that we are in a strong market, but that's still up. The last 3 years we've had this is the highest percentage of homes that have sold each year over the last 3 years. So it's a really good market, but there are some people that are challenged. I think the last thing I want to share with you is if you know anybody that has a property they need to sell fast, or they're looking just for a cash investor, we have investors ready to buy houses and close within 24 hours. So hope I didn't talk too long. Have a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll talk to you next year. Bye.